Hi, my name is laura.albenesius. I'm the teacher for the deaf and hard of hearing at Creighton Middle School. So I teach all three grades, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade here at Creighton. I have a schedule that meets a variety of needs. At 9:15, I'm working with 8th grade support and 7th grade for ELA. At 10 o'clock, I have the math class and 7th grade support. At 10:45, I have 8th grade ELA. 11:35, I'm teaching science, and at 12:20, I'm teaching social studies. So if you have a kid who needs support for any of these classes, there is an RTI session at 2 p.m. every single day. In fact, it's in their calendars. If you open up their calendars, every kid should be automatically put into the RTI every single day. For my classes, I have English ELA, English and Language Arts RTI at 2 p.m. on Tuesdays for both 7th and 8th grade. And on Fridays, we have the support RTI. For those who are in support and may not have the extra RTI on other days, we've actually provided an extra RTI for language support for homework assignments and concepts in class on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So in my class, students are not expected to take notes because they're going to do a better job taking notes with their eyes than if they are looking down. It's the same concept behind their accommodations in class. So you can find the notes in class notebook in the content library, or you can find PowerPoints that are going to be used throughout the year, and those are actually stuck at the top of each team page. There's a little tab that'll be the name of that PowerPoint. If you need to find out your child's grades, you can check on PowerSchool. That information can't be found on Teams, but you can find out what assignments are due and where they are, and if your child has turned them in or not. In fact, if you click on the assignments, most Word documents will have the student's work right there, so you can see what your child has turned in. So our class does not have a textbook. Anything that they need can be found in class notebook or is sent to the student's email directly. Some people have had questions about how attendance has worked. So attendance is based on how many minutes a student is logged in. For example, if a student is 15 minutes late, that can be counted as a tardy. So if a student pops in to class and pops back out of class, they can be marked as absent. We actually have a record on Microsoft Teams that we download at the end of every class. We click 3 dots and we download an Excel spreadsheet, and it tells us to the minute if your child has been in class, if they have ducked out of class. We have all of that information. So if you need help with any of the technology, which I think at this point we've got everybody online, so everybody should be set, but in case you need it, there is a tech number on the website where you can call the media specialist, Ms. Mazer, so that you can get extra support. And if you have, our students are also receiving all of their accommodations online. I had a couple questions come in about that. So if you're worried about if your child is getting their accommodations to meet their IEP, they are. We have made sure to provide all accommodations online, and if not, you will be receiving a call about a contingency plan next week. If you have any additional questions, you can find all of your answers on the parent tutorial on Creighton's websites. And as always, please email me, text me, call me with any questions that you have.